Let us study the another correlative property that is called elevation in boiling point, that is denoted as delta TB. Delta TB. Now, before understanding the elevation means increase in boiling point. So, first to understand what is meant by a boiling point of a liquid can be defined as it is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to the atmospheric pressure is called boiling point of liquid. It is the temperature required when the vapor pressure of the liquid becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure is called as the boiling point of the liquid. Say for example, the water boils at 373 Kelvin or 100 degrees Celsius because this is the temperature. The vapor pressure of the water is equal to 1 atm or 1.013 bar. At a common temperature, the vapor pressure of the solution is less than the pure solvent. As you know that under the relative lowering of vapor pressure, the vapor pressure of the solution is always less than the vapor pressure of the solvent. Hence, the solution requires more heating so that the vapor pressure becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. So, as you know that when you add the non-volatile solute, it requires more temperature that the vapor pressure becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. If a solvent and a solution are separately heated, the vapor pressure of solvent becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure at higher temperature. Means, if you take the solvent, boil it, so that the vapor pressure of the solvent become equal to the atmospheric pressure. Say for example, if you take the water, start to heat it. When the vapor pressure of the water, if it is becomes equal to 1 atm and the temperature is 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin, means at this temperature it gets boils. That is called as standard boiling point. So, if it this is the boiling point of the water. If you add the non-volatile solute into the solvent, so it requires more temperature to get to the pipe. That is, the vapor pressure of the solution is decreases. As the vapor pressure is decreases, the temperature is more than the boiling of the solvent, not the non-volatile solute. The boiling point of the solvent requires more temperature to get the boil of the solvent. So therefore, as you know that the vapor pressure of the solution is less than the vapor pressure of the solvent. So that increase in the boiling point of the solvent by addition of a non-volatile solute is called as elevation in boiling point. Now if you observe the graph of the vapor pressure versus the temperature in Kelvin scale. When you measure at 1 atm, so as the temperature is increases, the vapor pressure of the solvent is increases. When it reaches to 1 atm, it gets boil, and this is called as the boiling point of the solvent, denoted as TB naught. TB naught is the boiling point of the solvent. See that as the temperature increases, the vapor pressure of the solvent is increases. When it reaches to 1 atm, it gets boils. That is denoted as the boiling point of the solvent. Suppose if you add the non-volatile solute, then start to heat it, and the vapor pressure of the solution get increases. So when it reaches to 1 atm, it get boils. Therefore, this is denoted as TB, called as boiling point of the what solution. Now, so all are the vapor pressure reaches to 1 atm. This difference in the boiling point of the solution to the boiling point of the solvent is called as the elevation in boiling point. That is delta TB is equal to TB minus TB naught. That is boiling point. It is the difference between the boiling point of the solution to the boiling point of the solvent is called as the elevation in boiling point. So we know that this elevation in boiling point is directly proportional to the molar concentration of the solute in a solution. So according to the definition of the elevation in boiling point, the elevation in boiling point of a solution is directly proportional to the molar concentration of the solute in the solution. That is denoted as equation 1. Delta TB is directly proportional to the molality of the solution. I may write that, remove the proportionality sign, delta TB is equal to Kb into m, where Kb is called as the abeloscopic constant or molar elevation constant or the elevation constant. Now, I do know that the molality can be defined as it is the number of moles of the solute is dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. That is called as molality. So by definition of molality, so m is equal to, so 1000, that is W2 divided by m2 whole divided by W1 divided by 1000. That is where W2 is mass of the solute and m2 is molecular mass of solute. W1 is the mass of solvent of the one converted into 1 kg. I may write as W2 into 1000 divided by W1 into m2. Assign equation number 3. Put the value of m in equation 2. We have delta TB is equal to Kb into W2 1000 divided by W1 into M2. So if you observe the equation 4, see that delta TB is directly proportional to the W2, keeping the kV is constant and the unit of kV is Kelvin, kg per mole. So keeping the kV constant, W1 and M2, delta TB is directly proportional to the W2. It indicates that the elevation in boiling point, that is increase in boiling point, is directly proportional to the mass of a non-volatile solute added into the solvent. So it is proved that the elevation in boiling point or elevation of boiling point is one of the colligative property. According to the definition of the colligative property, it is the number of the colligative property can be defined as it is a property of a dilute solution which depend upon the number of solute present in the solution. So we prove that delta TB is directly proportional to the W2. Then how to calculate the molecular mass of a non-volatile solute? So therefore M2 is equal to, bring the M2 into the left hand side. So M2 is equal to kV into W2 into 1000 divided by W1 into delta TB. Assign equation number 5. See that knowing that elevation in boiling point of the solution and elevation in boiling point of the knowing the boiling point of the solution and boiling point of the pure solvent, we can calculate the molecular mass of the solute. So in this way we can calculate the molecular mass and we prove that the elevation of boiling point is one of the colligative property. So in the exam there is a question that calculate the molecular mass of the solute by giving the value of Kb, W2, W1 and boiling point of the solvent and solution to calculate the M2. In some cases there may be a question that calculate the mass of the solute present in the solution knowing the W2, the M2, W1, delta TB and Kb. So therefore in this way we can calculate the molecular mass as well as mass of the solute. So in some cases knowing the TB0 we can calculate the TB, that is boiling point of the solution, knowing M2, Kb, W2 and W1 and TB0. So therefore we prove that elevation of boiling point is one of the colligative property. So we have to discuss tomorrow.